Hi, my name is Marco, and welcome to The Model Gene. Today's video is answering the question, what is a direct booking? When a model gets optioned for a job, they're confirmed either by going to a casting or by what we call a direct booking. A direct booking is a job that a model confirms without having to see the client in person specifically for that reason. When you are starting your career as a model, it is very important to get your face out to all the big casting directors and clients, but as your career progresses, you will more often be booked directly without having to go in person to see a client. Even in a model's first season, they can get a direct booking if they were able to see any of the casting directors during pre-castings. The very first job my very first model booked was a direct booking for the J.W. Anderson show in London, and this was after seeing the casting director Ashley Brokaw in Paris a few days before during pre-castings. For more established models, castings become increasingly rare because a strong book, the model's measurements, and fresh digitals are enough for a client to make a decision on them. If you have any questions about direct bookings, let me know in the comments and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Thank you.